Good morning. Today's video is for outdoor planters, and these are all upcycled. So the original purpose or the initial purpose of the container was something else which no longer served. So now they've been used to make something beautiful for your garden, and these are maintenance free, and it's supposed to look a little rough and little natural, so it fits in with the garden decor. These beautiful cats that you see are all playing because the rain has stopped for a brief instance. So this part of the video is going to be about outdoor planters, and subsequently I will be making a video for indoor planters which you can give as gifts and decorate the inside of your home. So I'll start with this one. So this is a very natural and haphazard mix of ferns, portulacas and some greens, and the original purpose of this basin was for mixing cement when we had got some work done, and subsequently then we used it as a bird bath, and now it is a planter and it rests. This is not the place where we keep it, this is for just for the video. It rests on a broken bucket which no longer serves a purpose as a bucket, so it is allowed to grow completely wild, and it's great to see the difference in the textures, the leaves, the colors and the shades of green. The next we move on to is an old watering can which was bought many moons ago, and I loved the polka dots. Then it broke, then we had left it out, and then it got leaky, and then the spout, kind of part of the spout, got rusted and fell off. So here again we've got a couple of wild greens growing in here, and we just let it run wild, and it sits on a flagstone on the pathway, on the side of the pathway, and it just makes me smile every time I see it. These three beauties here are different varieties of money plants, and the cans that they are in, they're all discarded soup cans or coconut cream cans which we use for cooking, and the metal containers are so pretty. They sometimes are silver or gold. Rather than throwing them, I've used this to use them as planters. And how I display this is I have an old shower caddy which I've tied to a window grill, and I put these three in the shower caddy, and it just looks gorgeous. Then we move this side. That beautiful cat is Princess, the mama cat, and the two which you'll see coming in and out are her kittens, Ginger and Sandy. So these are the old hammam-distas or grinders. They used to use them to grind corn and wheat and all kinds of masalas and make pastes. So this came with the house, and they're broken and they're really heavy, but they're beautiful. So I've just filled them with a little bit of soil, and I've let rainwater accumulate. This has three varieties of money plant in it that are growing beautifully and curving up the stairs. And here this one has portulaca in it, and right now because of the intense rain the portulaca is not flowering, but the moment the sun is out it's a mix of flowers. You'll see different shades of pink, etc. Really beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to move this side. So this over here is an old planter, and it was used to get some very fancy plants. Right now it is the base of all my mixed greens for the money plant, and this stand that you see above it is a clothes stand for drying clothes which broke. So I've tied it to this pole, and I'm allowing the plants to creep and climb up it, so it will form a lovely little thing to hang from. So this is again a stand, the clothes stand, which you would typically throw away. Then we move this side. Here you have a cycle. This is an old cycle which got rusty and wasn't working very well, so I didn't want to throw it away. So I've tied it. You can see over here at the back it's tied to the boundary, and I've kind of wedged it into the mud as well, and I've used it as a kind of a frame to hang plants and pots on it. So they grow completely wild and they get really, really beautiful. So this is again a little quirky addition to your garden where, you know, it's not just a plant, it's a little piece of interest. So the purpose of this entire video is to show you how you don't need to throw things. Sometimes when things break and cannot be used in its original form, you need to discard, you can use it to make something even more beautiful. So this video was for outdoor planters. I will be making another one for indoor planters, which you can also give as gifts and decorate your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep coming back for more. Bye.